Hello dear student of Sected International School Khilchia. Today we will discuss our new topic for 6th standard. Chapter number 2, Globe, Latitudes and Longitudes. Firstly open your textbook page number 10. Okay, are you ready? Yes, so let's start. Firstly I will explain about a globe. What is a globe? Globe is an exact model of the earth. This is a globe. A globe depicts the correct shape, size, and location of various continents, countries, ocean, sea on the earth. You can see here this is a globe and this is a axis. This is like a needle which divides the poles in two parts. This is a north pole, this is a south pole, and this is called axis. And in the center is a equator which divide the earth in equal two parts. Next we will talk about the latitudes. Look this picture. This picture represents the latitudes. These lines are shows the latitudes. The north pole is on the 90 degree in the north, and in the center is the equator in the 0 degree. All parallel circles from the equator up to poles are called parallels of latitudes. The equator represents the 0 degree. Equator is from a 0 degree. The distance from the equator to either of the poles is 1/4 of a circle around the earth. All parallels north of the equator are called north latitudes, and similarly all parallels south of the equator are called south latitudes. Next we will talk about the important parallels of latitudes. Look this picture. These are the important parallels of latitude. First is a ecliptic circle. Next is a Tropic of Cancer. Third one is a equator in the center. Next is a Tropic of Capricorn, and next is a Antarctic circle. This is in the south part and this is in the north pole. Okay, next we will talk about the heat zone. These are the heat zones mentioned in this picture. First is the torrid zone. On both sides of the equator, this one and this one. This region lies between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn is called torrid zone. These zone gets the direct rays of the sun all the year round. Next is a fridge zone. This one and this one. The region between the Arctic circle and in the North Pole is called the between the Antarctic circle in the South Pole is called the fridge zone. Next is a temperate zone. This is a temperate zone. This one and this one. This region is neither hot nor very cold. It lies between the torrid zone and the fridge zone. Is both of the hemisphere. This is called hemisphere in the both of sides. Okay. So next we will talk about the. You can see here. This is the showing the examples. The torchlight falls on the straight surface is bright and cover a small area, whereas the torchlight falling